a piece of something to put behind something. No, I think that's just an urn for show, honey. I don't think anybody dead is in there today. Oh, she's not selling the head. Oh, shoot. So I learned how to type. It had ribbon and everything. Although I got mine cheaper at Hobby Lobby. I got a cheaper Hobby Lobby, guys. Oh. Good morning, everybody. Today we are at Changing Times in Grandville, Michigan. Now, they said they had, I think, 125 vendors, maybe inside or outside. And I thought the parking lot was going to be full of people having like vendors for a flea market. That's what it said. But it doesn't really look like it. So I don't know. We're just going to go inside and browse around. We might not buy anything, but you know, it's always fun to just look around and see what people have. I'm actually thinking about getting a booth in this store, and it looks like a really cute place. They have really good advertising on Facebook. So it'd be fun just to put this stuff somewhere and do something different sometimes, right, Jonathan?
Yep.
Jonathan's on the adventure today. So we're headed to a shop that has a flea market. I think it's more like, you know, crafts and stuff for women. And where is it at here? We're in Grandville. I've never been here, but I've been wanting to actually open a booth in this store because it has so much advertisement that it looks pretty good. Oh yeah, so there's Changing Times. Cute little tiny things. The funny thing is, when I went through my great-grandparents' house, they still had a washer like this. And yeah, my Aunt Donna bought it off the new owner. She's got it now. I love these little square things. I've always wanted one. See that? Is that old? It looks old. I wish I had something like this and you could put like little like dolly scenes in there.
It's like someone just made that.
That's really cute. Look at this. Look at that little wreath there. That's neat.
What was that place? Home Goods?
Yes. I actually bought mine offline though, somewhere else. Yep. What are you doing? These cute little... I like these blue ones. Those are pretty. I know somebody that sells this stuff online though, so it's really cheap.
Do you have a
Like,
blue phone?
sale events. We got jewelry. Sterling brooch. Couple of pieces of jewelry. Candy. Stay away from that. Look at this cute chair.
It's just like one.
That's what I thought. It was this before, wasn't it?
It was like this color, yeah.
And then she redid it?
I don't think it was that ruffled, though.
Okay. Yeah, I like those actually. There's coffee if you want coffee. There's some jewelry. Anything interesting? I always love these colors. Cute. I don't know, I used to have a chair like that. Do I still have that?
Yeah, but it's broken. I think we got a couple pieces.
Oh, it got broken here and there.
One of the things.
Oh shoot. Okay.
But you have that, yeah.
I'm looking for
It's a little nicer than that.
a piece of something to put behind something.
Well, that is
Right? This is kind of cute. 30. That might actually work. I'm gonna think about that one. I need a piece of something.
just a piece of tin.
I'm looking for something like that.
Yeah, but like your desk is a wall with stuff.
It's a cute little Kate Spade. That's cute. That's actually really cute. It does not have a strap, but that's cute. That's cute. And try not to move too much. No, I think that's just an urn for show, honey. I don't think anybody dead is in there today. Maybe tomorrow. Okay, what do we got here? She's got some cute little purses. This vendor's got some cute stuff. What is this? Oh, remember that head that we had? That's funny. What does it say? Not head
Just the word.
something.
Not
Oh,
personal.
she's not selling the head. Oh, shoot. Shoot. What do we got over here, honey? Oh, look at this cat planter. I like the cat planter. That's cute. What is in here? Pretty stuff? Pretty stuff. Look at that. Oh, this is a pretty area. It's cute how people put things together. Oh, I love soaps. There's Mackinac Island lilacs. Oh, yummy, right? Is it? I like how they named them. Oh yeah, they smell really good. Nice. Cute little guys. Those are so cute. Something very similar. Yeah. Yeah, the cows.
It's from Hobby Lobby.
Well, I'm sure they didn't buy it from Hobby Lobby. Their mom might have collected it. Now they're selling all the cow. It's a lot of cow stuff, right? A lot of cow stuff. Oh, look at that. Looks like a breakfast at Tiffany's kitty cat. Look at this old clock, honey. It's a Waterbury clock. It's really cute. Oh, look at the typewriter. This is how I learned how to type, believe it or not.
One like that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's ancient.
Yeah, it was. So I learned how to type.
Was it
It had
that big or
ribbon
was
and
it
everything.
smaller?
I would say it was about like that. It was called something else, so it still had its ribbon and everything. 15. This is tempting to buy just to look at. So I think it's cool. It does need work. Isn't that cute? Looks like it came out of somebody's barn. This is a pretty dresser. Look at how nice this is. Oh, the desk. Okay. That's cute. They made things so well back then, right? So I'd rather buy something like that than what you can find now. Why are you looking at that?
This looks like the one
My mom had those. I could have had them for free, but I decided not to do that. Yeah, the prices are pretty good here, right? Look at how nice this setup is. Isn't that cute? They got this little greenhouse thing. You can actually make a nice little terrarium or a fairy garden out of that. It's really cute. Yeah, I do have something like that.
This is wood though, right?
Although I got mine cheaper at Hobby Lobby. I got a cheaper Hobby Lobby, guys. Look at this cute little piggy. They just put some little things on him. He is super adorable. Resin, really cute. Little heads. What a cute booth. This is adorable. Oh baby, yeah. I love how they displayed all the little necklaces and stuff. It's really, really cute. Look at how comfy cozy this looks. That looks amazing. Oh my goodness, look at this cute little guy here. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness, he's a little ghost. I remember that crock pot from the 70s. Did you have a crock pot like that? So cute. Oh my goodness, look at this wallpaper. Isn't that pretty? I love that. It'd be super cute in a bathroom. Look at this wallpaper, honey. Isn't that cool? That is pretty. Something else I'm really looking for is not a cake pan, but like one of those bread things that you put your bread in, like a vintage one. Something like that. Oh, look at that dress. I bet that's from the 90s though. Actually, my first wedding, I had a dress like that. Ew. Ew. Look at this adorable little basket. That is really cute. That'd be cute to put like toilet paper or something in, right? It's adorable. I got some quilts in here. Quilts are reasonable. $32. Oh my goodness, look at all the cute Christmas trees. Remember these? Oh, yes. Oh, look at this cute thing. Look at those old plastic celluloid handles. Wow. $24. Bakelite handle. I don't know if that's Bakelite. Oh my goodness, look at these cute pillows. I think this is a remake. This is not like the old original 50s, it looks like. But isn't that adorable? I'm gonna get this for my bed. That looks so cute. It's only $10. I have to say yes. Ooh, they have a lot of jewelry. Oh, that's neat. I like that little thing there. That's cool. What is that thing right in that corner? What is that right here?
What?
That little...
The metal thing?
The metal thing.
Isn't that a token?
Belt buckle. Okay, so across the place from Changing Times is a little restaurant. So we're gonna go in and have some breakfast. Even though it's lunchtime now, I could eat breakfast anytime. What do you think, John?
Yep. Let's get some.
Yes, let's get some breakfast.
Oh!
Ooh, look at this yummy little breakfast. What do you got? Eggs and bacon and toast? Ooh,
A little bit of everything.
looks good, a little bit of everything. And I've got some vegetarian skillet and some sourdough bread. Oh my goodness, I'm at Tractor Supply and look at what I just found. Look at this. Oh, look at the baby chickens. Hi, little babies. Oh, they got turkeys. Look at those turkey babies. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. $50% off. Oh, those sold out. I don't know the difference between chickens. They're just all cute to me. Cornish chickens. Oh, look at you guys. Oh. This is why I don't eat chickens. Look at how cute they are. Look at how cute. You guys are precious. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. What? Oh my goodness. They are so sweet. Oh. So sweet. Rhode Island Red. They had different, all kinds of versions. These look softer. Heat and cold hardy, $5 a piece. Oh, look how cute they are. So cute. Look at you guys. Oh, darling.